Damian Roden, aka Munga Honorable, made his first court appearance today since he has been arrested and charged with the murder of Cleveland Smith in Akiwak, St. Andrew a couple of weeks ago. He was initially to have appeared in court on Friday, the 2nd of June, but that was not possible because the file for his case was not presented by the investigating officer, so it was pushed to Tuesday the 6th of June, which was today. So when he appeared in court today, the presiding judge stated that she has recently received the file and she has not yet familiarized herself with the contents of the file, and as such he was remanded and a court date was set for the 21st of June. So this is what happened in court today. Munga to spend 2 more weeks in jail before court appearance. The murder case against entertainer Munga Honorable has been pushed back to June 21 to allow the judge enough time to familiarize herself with the matter. Attorney Christopher Townsend, who is representing the artist, told the Star that Munga was not granted bail. The judge was unable to hear a bail application because the matter is new before her. She just received the preliminary report which gives an indication of the allegations against him, Townsend said. Munga is charged with the murder of Cleveland Smith. He is also facing charges of illegal possession of firearm in relation to the same incident. The DJ, who was clad in a white shirt and grey pants, appeared calm as he was being led back in handcuffs to the holding area to be transported to the Hunts Bay police station where he is being held. When asked how the entertainer is handling the situation, his attorney, Christopher Townsend, said he is confident in the judicial system and confident of an acquittal. He wants to have his day in court. Townsend said that he intends to make a bail application on June 21st. So I have a bit of concern with aspects of the article in the Star newspaper, which is saying that Munga is also being charged for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. I don't know when this would have occurred. When did they find this firearm? When did they find these ammunition? Because if you are charged for illegal possession of firearm, I am assuming that the firearm would have been in your presence or on your person when the police would have accosted you. So at no point in time, did the police actually deal with Munga outside of the precincts at the Hunts Bay police station. A request was made for him initially to turn himself in. He did that. He was detained and questioned for a couple of days, then released. Then he was called on a phone, I don't know if it was a cell phone, and asked to report back to the police station the Saturday. That's after he was released from the Thursday. So then now, how does illegal possession of firearm and ammunition come in this? Where did they find that gun? Where did they find those ammunition? So I'm kind of confused there. So if anybody have any clear idea as to what is happening here, I would be more than happy to learn. So you can hit me up in the comment section down below. Let me know what you can email me, you understand, at teachthem16@gmail.com, because I'm curious, peeps. I want to know how is he on an illegal possession, a firearm charge, when at no point in time did the police stop him anywhere and search him or gang yard? Because based on my understanding of the situation, they said they wanted to speak to him. He turned himself in the first time after he was released. Them call him back and say if he turn up at the station, then them arrest and charge him. You understand? So was it between him being released and being called back the gun was found? And if so, where was the gun found? And if the gun was found somewhere, why wasn't he taken into custody by the police instead of being asked to turn himself in? So peeps, I'm confused. But the long and short of the situation is that he appeared in court today. The court hearing that was scheduled for the 2nd of June that was postponed because the file was not ready would have been rescheduled for today. However, the file was recently submitted to the presiding judge. I think her name is Jackson. I don't remember her full name at the moment, but she's saying she needs to familiarize herself with the case, and so she decided that it would have been wise and in her best interest to remand Damian Roden, aka Munga Honorable, until June the 21st, where he has a next court appearance, and his lawyer is saying he will definitely be making a bail application again at that point in time. So peace, as much as I'm confused, I would like some clarification as to the situation. So if anybody is able to provide me that, I would be most grateful. So that is the situation at the moment, peeps. Boy, Munga is just like, you know, have no luck at the moment, you understand? Everywhere you turn, Makajuk you. Just one of them things. So we are see it, we are look on it, we are watch how it develop, you understand me? I say, but me curious, peeps. Me need some answers. So help me out there. This is Steve saying, yo, boy, me no know. Look more, peeps. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.